So this is the username. We can also do the same inside the email, but in the email there is a difference. The email should have a specific format. So the username doesn't have a format, okay, but the email should have a format of abc@xyz.abc, okay. So this is the format of the email. So we should test the format of the email. So in the email we have, of course, a valid test case, which we already done, valid email. Then we can leave the email field empty. We can enter an invalid format for the email. We can register with an already used email. We can also register with an already used email, but it is not verified until now. So these are 4 major test cases. The first one, like we said, sign up, we can say with already used email. So we can copy this, the username, put it here, but we can say email, and we say enter an already used email in the email field, and fill other fields. Here an error message appears telling the user that this email is already used. Also in the email, it is a good for a usability perspective to encourage the user to log in with this email if it is his email. So in this case, a message appears encouraging the user to log in using this email if it is his email. Okay, and also we can have a forgot password next to it. So this is 12, 12.1, 12.2, 12.3. Okay, so we have also sign up with an empty email, like we said. So 13, sign up with empty email. So we have leave email field empty, okay, an error message appears telling the user that email can't be left empty. This is easy. Okay, 13.1, 13.2, 13.3. So also after, wait, this should be here. This, I like to make my test cases organized. It is cool. Okay, so let's also add these here, ready to test. Of course, this is Android and iOS like we always did, but if this is a website, we don't need to do this. We can say Chrome and Firefox, for example, if we are testing on different browsers. If this is, for example, a desktop application, we can say Windows and Mac or Windows and Linux. It depends on the operating system. So here empty, here already used, we can say yes with a different format or wrong format. We can say here number 14, okay, 14.1, 14.2, and 14.3. Okay, so like you see, sign up with wrong email format. So here enter a wrong email format, like we say ABCD, anything. Then I will fill all other fields with valid data. Then I click on sign up. Error message appears telling the user that email field must have a correct format, and we say abc@xyz.com, for example. Okay, so the last test case in the registration is the one, like we said, with non-verified email. So here sign up with already registered but not verified email. So I already registered using this email. I forgot, okay, and I came back to the application after 1 month. I'm a user, not a tester. I'm explaining the scenario for you, okay? And in this case, I want to sign up. So I'm signing up with my email, and in this case, he tells me this email is already registered but not verified. We sent you an email, please verify your email. So in this case, enter an already registered but not verified email. Okay, in sign up. So here a message appears. This is not an error message. A message appears telling the user that he didn't verify his email and encouraging him to verify it. Okay. Also, we can say an option appears so that the user can resend the verification mail. So here I can ask the application, okay, please send me the email again because I can't find it. Okay, so there are test cases that are related to the email and Facebook and Google. So what are these? For example, if I already registered using Facebook and my Facebook profile is attached with an email, and then I'm trying to register using the same email from here. So this is a rare scenario, but it happens, okay? I registered before using Facebook, then I'm registering with the same email, but from the email. So in this case, it depends on the project. In some applications, he leaves you complete the registration process and then connects between the two users. In other applications, no. He just tells you that this email is associated with a Facebook account, so please register or log in using your Facebook account, okay? So here, for example, I should not be able to register using the same email. Why? Because in this case, I will have two usernames. When I already registered using Facebook, he created a username for me, or I created a username, and now I will have another username. So in this case, I should have only one user with one username. The username should be unique. So here, how would we write it? Let's say, okay. So here, 16. We can say register using an email that is attached with an already registered Facebook user. Okay. So in this case, enter a valid email that is attached with an already registered Facebook user. Fill other fields, sign up. Here a message appears saying the user that this user or this email is attached to a Facebook account and encouraging the user to log in using Facebook, right? Okay, this is good. So this is an important test case that many people forget while creating the application, and unfortunately in this case the real user faces this test case and most of the time it is not working. So this is 16.2, 16.3. The same with Google. So for example, I already registered using Gmail and then I am trying to register using the same email. In this case also, he should redirect me to Google login page.